Namaste. India's online food delivery market is likely to exceed 2 lakh crores by 2026. Zomato, Swiggy, and other players in the ecosystem have paved the path for rapid growth of this sector in India. Swiggy registered a revenue of 5,705 crores in the financial year 21-22 and a loss of 3,629 crores. Zomato booked a loss of 1,222 crores in the same period. Swiggy, Zomato, and others in the ecosystem have laid the foundation for rapid expansion of the online ordering business. Major QSR brands are looking to become a food court in an app and take additional ownership of delivery. The QSR market and online ordering is surely going to grow exponentially in India in the next 3 years. Please follow this channel for more updates. Thank you.